Hi, my name is Jan Majol. I'm the Manufacturing Solutions Director at Stratasys. And today I would like to talk about one of our advanced engineering material, nylon 12 carbon fiber. It's the first Stratasys reinforced composite material with 35% chopped carbon fiber. It has a very high stiffness to weight ratio and a compressive strength over 920 bars. Here is an example of a nylon without reinforcement. As you can see, it's fairly flexible. The same sample with the carbon fiber. As you can see, I'm applying fairly about the same amount of force and you don't see much deflection. This is a clear example of how stiff this material is. Today, this material is replacing steel and aluminum parts like this spare part, which is used in a chocolate factory today in the Netherlands. It takes only a few hours to print, while it takes over a month to get this part. It's also about 60% cheaper to produce using additive manufacturing solution from Stratasys. Another example of this material is also functional prototyping here, as you can see, where you need to apply a force onto an aluminum tube. In this case, you can easily clamp it and it's fully working. It's also functional for tools. Here is a tool which was initially made of steel, so this part is actually 7 times lighter than the tool made of steel. It's made of nylon 12 carbon fiber with additional inserts, and this tool is used to put leaf springs which are then clamped and assembled onto a pickup truck in North America. This is a tool which actually is used today by one of the OEM to produce their vehicles. If you have any question and you would like to know more about materials or anything else related to Stratasys offering, please feel free to contact me on LinkedIn or to visit our website. And stay tuned for more video. Bye for now.